Okay, it's here. Today is August 8th, which means that the Lionsgate portal is not only open, but it is at its peak. If there was ever a day to manifest what you want instantly, today is the day. So in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly what to do to collapse timelines, to actually get everything that you have ever wanted in the quickest way possible. If you haven't seen my previous video about this, make sure to check it out up here. I literally go through what the Lionsgate portal is and what to do before the Lionsgate portal, so make sure to utilize that video for the next Lionsgate portal. Step number one, we want to get clear on what we're actually manifesting. This can be generic, like I want to manifest happiness, or specific, like I want to manifest a cat. This isn't about manifesting something that's realistic. It's going deep down inside and actually deciding what do you actually want. Not whatever's cool or what everyone else is manifesting, but what you deeply and truly love and want to experience in your life. Like, in your heart of hearts, this is literally what you want to manifest. Say it out loud or write this down on a piece of paper or notebook. So for example, I am living in a brand new mansion in the most beautiful upscale neighborhood. It is already done. Say that shit with confidence. Whatever it is, own it. Step number two, we want to activate this. So now that you're clear, we want to keep being in that state. And how we do this is we remind ourselves that it is already done. That is how you keep staying in the state, which will get you your manifestation. Pick one of these, or you can do them all, or you can pick a few. Just pick the ones that make you feel the best, the most excited. Speak affirmations out loud, like robotic, affirming, and say it out loud. Say it as much as possible throughout the day. I live in a brand new mansion. It's already done. I would pick 1 to 3 affirmations that has to do with each and every single one of your desire. You can also visualize yourself living in that reality, like you living in that life. So visualize yourself walking through the halls of your big, beautiful mansion. How do the floors look like? How does the furniture look like? Who are you living there with? Try to make it as clear as possible and to feel the strongest feelings, and to also make yourself feel like in this current reality right now, this Lionsgate portal, it is already done. You have it right now. Only do this for 2 to 5 minutes. If you want, you can do it for 10 minutes. If you have the whole day, do it in increments. So visualize for 10 minutes in the morning, in the way that I just described, in the middle of the day, and in the evening. You want this, right? You can do a rampage. So say all of the things that is happening right now that you have your manifestation. So for example, dude, like pretend like you're talking to your brother or like to whoever, like your favorite person. Like, dude, I'm literally over the fucking moon. Like, I got a mansion and you did it. Mom's gonna be fucking so proud of me. Like, I literally am living in a mansion right now. It's so good. It's so comfy. Ben really loves it. Ben can be your SP. The cats love it. Like, when do you want to visit? I'm actually throwing a house party in like a week, but if you want to visit before that, do you see how like natural it feels? So you can have like a conversation, rampage style type shit, or you can rampage it like you're writing in a diary, but you're just saying it out loud, right? Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I am now living in a brand new mansion in West Village. Like, doesn't have to make sense. Say it with such detail for as long as you possibly can, and you'll get to the point where you're gonna get so excited you'll be like bursting to the brim, and I just want you to milk that feeling and tell yourself that it is already done now. You can also write a script. You can write a page or 2 or even a paragraph. Like, look, as long as you are feeling that you have it in your reality right now, you are good. Write that shit down. Like, dear diary, I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you, God, for this beautiful mansion. No one thought that I could do it, but I did it. We're moving in, Ben and I are moving in. We're going to do a house. Like everything that you set your mind to, write it and date it as today's date. Get super freaking excited about it. If you want multiple things, write multiple things. And this goes for your affirmations, your visualizations, your rampage. You have to remember that today your energy is on loudspeaker. Your subconscious is so open. Like, you know how I always badger you on about doing SATs because your subconscious mind is so open? It's like that for the entire day. This is why this is like such a big, powerful thing. So use it to your advantage. Step number 3, anchor it. Say this out loud or in your head. You should be doing this every time you do a technique. Say, it's already done. I have this now. And so it is. I have this because that's just the way it is. It is done. I fully receive this now. Thank you. You can even comment down below and type, thank you so much. I claim this and I receive it now. It is done. Anchoring it in the physical makes it more real. It makes it more embodied. You are claiming it. Step number 4, shift your state. Now here's the key. We don't want to be obsessive over this. Let the energy settle by doing something that feels really good. This is another version of detaching. You are just making the most of each and every single moment. Listen to music, go for a walk, pet your cat, eat something delicious, call someone you love, dance, take a nap, eat, watch your favorite TV show, go watch a TikTok. Live like someone who already has it because you do. The Lion's Gate is not about forcing, it's about allowing it to come in. This is why this energy is so powerful, because you don't have to really call it in as crazily. Like, you can just be aware that you have it now and it will come that much faster for you. So these are some bonus tools to amplify getting your manifestation that much faster. If you want to go deeper, listen to subliminals. All day and all night. Listen to an all night, overnight subliminal as you're sleeping concerning what it is that you want to manifest, and listen to the same type of subliminals during the day. They will be that much more powerful for you. What I also suggest is doing gratitude rampages, because when you are grateful for what you have now and you're appreciative of it, and you slip in the things that you are also manifesting, you're telling your subconscious mind that not only do you have all of the things that are listed, including the things that you're manifesting, but you're actually appreciative of them, and it will come to you that much faster. And with you doing that during the Lion's Gate portal, you will be fucking unstoppable. Remember that this energy is here to serve you, to elevate you, to deliver what you decide that you are ready for. Stop doubting, let yourself feel supported for once. Happy Lion's Gate. I'm so proud of you. You are literally rewriting history right now, and I bet that your future self a year from today is going to be so insanely, incredibly proud of you, just like I am right now. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.